Hello, today we'll be learning the OR sound. This is the corn sound spelling card. The sound is OR. Say that sound with me. OR. The sound OR is found in the middle of the word corn. The OR sounds can be spelled with the following ways. It can be spelled with the letters OR, as in corn. O-R-E, as in more. O-A-R, as in roar. I'll say or as I write the different spellings for the sounds several times. Please say the sounds with me. Or, 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 or. Now we will be building and blending words that have the OR sound. Please listen as I model this first word. This is the letter S. It stands for S. These are the letters O and R. Together they stand for OR. This is the letter T. It stands for T. Listen as I blend these sounds together. S or T. Say it with me. Sort. I will continue to build the letters and words, and I would like for you to say the sounds. This next word is N-O-R-T-H. Let's sound it out. N or the word is north. Let's do our next word. This one is spelled S-H-O-R-E. Again, let's sound it out, and then I want you to blend it on your own. I will check in afterwards. Sh, or. The word is shore. We are now on our last word. Let's sound it out. S, or. The word is soar. It's your turn now. In your packet, complete the phonics practice activity.